From the beginning, I thought Vascular International was incredibly professional, very precise, really good curriculum, very clear ideas, very focused teaching, and that has not changed over the years.
There are a lot of courses in surgery, mainly about talking, and a surgeon is not a talker, a surgeon is a doer.
By having this 4-to-1 trainee-tutor system, we are actually able to keep in very close contact, and it's something quite unique because we get to know our trainees really well.
This basically ensures that each and every participant can get the most out of these courses and can really take the maximum profit.
So what is important in these training scenarios is that you have low fidelity models and high fidelity models, and we do have these high fidelity models for abdominal aneurysm surgery, for peripheral bypass and carotids, and also for AV access.
The depth that you have in these models is very realistic, very true to the real life situation, and it's not just a box which doesn't allow you to get this feedback. I think it's one of the best models that you could possibly imagine.
The benefit for a participant in these courses is to learn step by step. We have to shift the learning curve from the patient to the simulator. That is most important for patient security and patient safety.
The networking starts then when you put a lot of people together, you remember things, you know somebody else, you meet him somewhere else on a congress. The same goes for the industries, we live by the industries.
This is not only a hands-on training place, this is an advisory place, this is a place where you can talk with experienced surgeons and benefit from them.
You don't only exchange your expertise in vascular surgery, but you also get to know the person as a person.
Being part as a tutor means increasing your network and learn about different schools, adapting your school to what is maybe international standard, and standardized teaching.
So my advice to people who are considering to participate at the courses, if you're a vascular surgeon, just do it. If you want to become a vascular surgeon, just do it. And if you're in any surgical field, these surgical techniques are really important and handy for any kind of surgical procedures. Just do it.